Create a new document with this details. Create a solid color adjustment layer. I will choose this color for background. Choose Type tool. Apply this settings. Open your image. Select and mask the subject. I already did that. Drag and drop it to main document. Clip mask it to bottom layer. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Delete layer mask from second layer. Select the layer mask. Choose Brush tool. And follow the process. Create a black and white adjustment layer. Hold Alt and clip mask it to bottom layer. Convert top layer to Smart Object. Go to Filter. Open Camera Raw filter. Apply this settings. Right-click on text layer and choose Blending options. Choose Stroke. Follow the settings. Hold Shift and select all layers. Press Ctrl G to group. Choose Text tool. And follow the process. Duplicate the text layer. Drag it to under the group. Decrease fill to 0%. Choose Stroke. And follow the settings. Hold Ctrl key and select two text layers. And click on link icon. And also add other texts.